Okay, be careful. Get used to the bike before you start belting.
Yeah, I won't belt.
Yeah, so be very careful.
So guys, I'm riding the Daytona now. Oh, this seating. What is this, man? This is amazing. The Daytona is such an amazing bike, guys. So smooth and refined. And it sounds beautiful. The triple, it's a beautiful sounding bike, and it also has a quick shifter. And this revs really high. I can't use the quick shifter, I'm using the clutch only. It's really hard. Whoa. So easy to corner. And that's my friend Arvind, who's riding my Z900. He was generous enough to give me, a rascal like me, his bike. Really, man, I'm enjoying this bike so much. What a bike. I love this bike. Jeez. But actually it's pretty hard on my back. It's not the most comfortable of bikes, but this isn't made for comfort. Oh! I'm not gonna talk, guys. I love this bike. I'm just enjoying this bike so much. What a bike! If this had an exhaust, it would have been so fun. The brakes are just too good. I think this comes with Brembos. I don't know which model exactly, and Ovalins. This is the R675R. The regular 675 is behind me. My friend Sharif is riding it. That's the 675 Daytona, guys.